Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communications like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you'll use in your professional work. The overall goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that are important for the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at OTC, so you'll have access to the digital content for the course through Canvas on the first day of class automatically. Well, when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left column over here, especially if this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements and modules and the discussions navigation link. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis at least 3 to 4 times a week. So you'll see on the home page the last 3 announcements will be displayed here, or you can click on announcements and it will take you to all the announcements that have been posted for the course. Well, let's take a look at modules for just a minute. On this page at the very top is the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you'll see the assignments for the course separated by modules. The second column here has the due dates for each of the modules. And then on the right side, the last column has the points that are associated with each of those assignments. And please note, there are 2 modules due each week of our 8-week class. So for example, Module 1 begins with an introduction discussion. The initial post is due on June the 8th, and the replies are due on June the 11th. For 1.3, establishing credibility is another discussion assignment, also due on June 11th. Please keep in mind that 2 replies to classmates are required for each discussion assignment. Next is the 1.4 fair test assignment, again due on June 11th. And then if you look at Module 2, it has 3 assignments, and all of these due on June 11th. There are several Connect assignments, and I'll talk more about those in just a minute. Well, this is typically what a course schedule looks like. Please pay special attention, to the due dates. Because of the midterm and the final exam due dates, the day of the week assignments are due will vary. Our proctored event for the course, scroll down here just a little bit, is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. And if you're not familiar with proctoring requirements, go over to Modules and open the proctoring requirements link, and that will allow you to review the proctoring requirements. You will use a remote proctoring company called Proctorio, and you can schedule your proctored event in the testing center, or you can take it remotely using Proctorio. To access the Connect assignment, scroll down again. Module 2 is the first Connect assignment. Just open the link and it will take you right to Connect. If you are prompted to set up an account, please use your OTC email to set up your account, and that way you can use Connect for any course that uses Connect. If you scroll up again, getting started with Connect, here's some more information about getting started with Connect. These videos will show you about how to complete your assignments in Connect. Well, please post any questions about the course to the Student Commons Forum, which is located in the discussions area, all the way at the top. When you open this link, click Reply, enter your question, and then click Post. I can reply to any questions that you might have, and your classmates can also see the response to questions that they might have that are of a similar nature. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via OTC email, and my email address is moffittc@otc.edu. Again, please use your OTC email address for any messages that you might send to me. The filters are set up so that OTC email is often the only messages that get through. So if you use any other email account, I may not get the message. Also, we have online office hours. Those are available by request. So if you go back to modules, we use Zoom for online office hours. You scroll all the way to the bottom of the modules page, and there is the link for Zoom online office hours. We need to schedule those in advance. Just let me know if you want to meet online, and then we'll set up a date and time we are both available. Well, that's enough to get us started. Please keep in mind that the summer semester is an accelerated schedule, so please do not get behind. It's very difficult to catch up if you get behind. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.